the next part in the chapter 4 is the angles in linear pair. We have to understand angles in linear pair. To understand this, observe this figure. In above figure, ray QR makes angle PQR and angle RQS. Ray QR makes angle PQR and angle RQS. They are first common arm ray QR. Second, other arms ray QP and ray QS forms straight lines. Third, they are supplementary angles. Therefore, these two angles PQR and angle RQS are called linear pair angles. To identify the given angle is a linear pair, there are three conditions. First, they have common arm. Other arm forms straight line, and they are supplementary angle. Then we take the second example. In that example, two angles PQR measure 110 degree. Angle MNT measures 70 degree. These two angles are not linear pair angle. Means angle PQR and angle MNT are not linear pair angles because they do not have common arm and other arms also cannot form straight line. Therefore, these two angles are not linear pair angle. But these two angles are supplementary angles. Then we have see the definition of angles in linear pair or definition of linear pair angles. Angles which have a common arm and whose other arms form a straight line are said to be angles in a linear pair. Definition, once again repeat. Angles which have a common arm and whose other arms form a straight line are said to be angles in a linear pair. Then second rule, angles in linear pair are supplementary angles. And third rule, the sum of measures of the angles in linear pair is 180 degree. This is the rule for angle in linear pair. Then try to solve the practice set 19 in our maths textbook and draw the figures by given different condition. The next point in that chapter is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles याला मराठीमध्ये परस्परांचे विरुद्ध कोन असं म्हणतात. आणि हे समजून घेण्यासाठी ऑब्झर्व दॅट फिगर. इन दॅट फिगर लाइन PT and line RS intersect each other at point Q. This is line PT, this is line RS intersect at point Q. Angle PQR is formed by ray QP and ray QR. Also, angle SQT is formed by ray QS and ray QT. Therefore, angle PQR and angle SQT are formed by opposite rays. Therefore, angle PQR and angle SQT are called vertically opposite angles. म्हणजे वर्टिकली अपोजिट अँगल्स हे अपोजिट रेजने काय होतात, फॉर्म झालेले असतात, म्हणजे तयार झालेले असतात. ऑल्सो इन दॅट फिगर म्हणजे ह्याच आकृतीमध्ये दुसरी जी पेयर आहे अँगल PQS अँड अँगल RQT आर अदर पेयर ऑफ वर्टिकली अपोजिट अँगल्स. मीन्स अँगल PQS अँड अँगल RQT also vertically opposite angles. Then we turn about definition of vertically opposite angles. The angle formed by the opposite rays of the arms of an angle is said to be its opposite angles. Once again repeat definition. The angle formed by the opposite rays of the arms of an angle is said to be its opposite angles. म्हणजे opposite angles हे त्यांच्या opposite rays न तयार झालेले असतात. Then another one important point in vertically opposite angles. The vertically opposite angles are formed when two lines intersect each other. They are of equal measures. This is the important point. म्हणजे या मुद्द्यामध्ये vertically opposite angles जे तयार झालेले असतात they have equal measures म्हणजे त्यांचे माप समान असतात. म्हणजे pair of vertically opposite angles have equal measures. To understand this, we try to solve the practice set 20 in our maths book. In practice set 20, question 1 given the measure of angle APD is 47 and find the measure of angle APB, BPC and CPD. To solve this example, here measure of angle APD is equal to 47 degree is given in that example. But this angle APD and angle BPC are vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles have equal measures. Therefore, measure of angle APD is equal to measure of angle BPC. But measure of angle APD is 47 degree given. Therefore, measure of angle BPC is equal to 47 degree. Then we have to find the next measure of angle. In that figure, angle APD and angle APB are linear pair angles. Therefore, measure of angle APD plus measure of angle APB is equal to 180 degree because there is a rule. Linear pair angles have their sum 180 degree. Therefore, measure of angle APD is 47 degree is given. Measure of angle APB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, measure of angle APB is equal to 180 degree minus 47 degree. Therefore, measure of angle APB is equal to 133 degree. In this way, we get the measure of angle APB is equal to 133 degree. Then we have to find, but angle APB and angle CPD are also vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles have equal measures. Therefore, measure of angle APB is equal to measure of angle CPD. But measure of angle APB we have to find 133 degree. Therefore, measure of angle CPD is equal to 133 degree. In this way, solve the example in practice set 20, question 2 to get more practice. In the same way, you try to solve the question 2 in our maths book and practice set 20. Then we turn to the last point in that chapter is the sum of interiors of angles. In this sum of interiors of angle given there, observe this in your maths book. तुम्ही काय करा, पुस्तकाचा वापर करून ऑब्झर्वेशन करून यामधील मुद्दे समजावून घ्या. यामध्ये नंबर ऑफ साइड्स, नेम ऑफ पॉलिगॉन, number of triangles and sum of the interior angles. First triangle, its sides are 3. Number of triangle 1, therefore it has interior angle sum is 180 degree. Then here quadrilateral, that quadrilateral is formed by two triangles, and these two triangles 180 degree into 2 is equal to 360 degree. This is a pentagon. Pentagon is formed by three triangles. One triangle have measure 180 degree. Three triangles have 180 degree into 3 means 540 degree. This is a hexagon. Hexagon is also formed by four triangles. Therefore, 180 degree into 4 is equal to 720 degree. In this way, the number of triangles in the figure, and we have to find the measure of its interior angle by using formula is equal to the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a polygon is equal to 180 degree into n minus 2. Then we get the sum of measures of interior angles. Thank you.